Vericom's VW1 Series double-hinge swing-out wall-mount cabinets are a great solution for networking, security, and AV installations where access to the back of the equipment is important. This video will walk you through the assembly process. Vericom's double-hinge wall cabinet comes with the following pieces: bottom panel, back panel, top panel, rail frames, side panels, and door. The hardware included is grounding hardware, guide piece and M4x10mm screw, 4 M5 nuts, 2 M5x14mm screws, and 18 M5x10mm screws. For convenience, the back panel can be mounted to the wall prior to assembly using the 4 mounting holes and user-supplied mounting hardware. First, secure one of the rail frames to the bottom panel using 2 M5x10mm screws. Be sure the numbers on the rail frame are facing toward the rear. Use 2 M5x10mm screws and M5 nuts to secure the other rail frame to the front of the bottom panel. The position of the front rail frame is adjustable to accommodate various equipment depths. Place the top panel onto the rail frames, making sure that the orientation of the top panel matches the bottom panel. Align the screw holes and use 2 M5x10mm screws to secure the rear of the top panel to the rail frame. Use 2 M5x10mm screws and M5 nuts to secure the front of the top panel to the rail frame. Secure the side panels to the wall cabinet using 4 M5x10mm screws per side panel. Attach one side of the grounding hardware to the hinge side of the wall cabinet, front and rear, by securing it with the M5x10mm screw that attaches the side panel to the bottom panel. Attach the door to the wall cabinet using 2 M5x14mm screws. Connect the grounding cables. Attach the guide piece to the front of the top panel using 1 M4x10mm screw. To attach the wall cabinet to the mounted back panel, slide the wall cabinet up on the bottom hinge. Next, pull down on the top spring hinge and set the wall cabinet into place. Connect the grounding cables. To secure the wall cabinet to the back panel, turn the key on the back panel to allow the wall cabinet to swing closed over the latches. For more information on Vericom's VW1 Series double-hinge swing-out wall mount cabinets, contact us today.